morning children, welcome to Srivela, the University. How are you all? I hope you are doing well and also I hope that you are eagerly waiting for this class, right? Yes, it's very interesting tables and pictograph. Only two things we should remember, right? So you can draw as many pictographs as you can, okay? Just if I give any data, you can draw the pictographs, right? Very good, okay? Then shall we start doing? Yes, then. Here I have drawn a table. Okay. So week. Okay. What is the title of this? Sale of burgers, pizza, burgers. You liked, right? Yes, but nowadays we are not at all eating. We are not going outside and we are not eating. Yes, you are making at home. Very good. Homemade food is good for us. Okay. Don't eat outside. Okay. Then burgers. Okay. You are very interesting burgers. You are not looking like burgers. Yes, these are burgers only. They are looking like burgers or not, but these are the burgers. Okay. The same thing they have given in the course book, page number 4444. Okay. The course book, page number 44. Not 44, sorry, it's 46. Okay. In page number 46, they have given the information what I have drawn here. Okay. Then, see. See the title. This is a title. These are the informations. So this is a key they have given here. Okay, key. One burger equals to, only we should think about the key. Then we can answer any question. One burger equals to 10 burgers. Half burger equals to 5 burgers. This is a half burger. Okay, half burger equals to 5 burgers. One burger equals to 10 burgers. Then in first week, these many burgers they have sold. Second week, see shop information. Third week, he sold these many burgers. Fourth week, he sold these many burgers. Okay. Now I'll ask one question. In first week, how many burgers were sold out? See, the same way. See the question. How many burgers were sold in the first week? Where is the first week? This is the first week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Half. 6 and a half burgers? No. We should use the key. 1 burger equals to 10. Means 10 burgers. 10 burgers, 10 burgers, 10 burgers, 10, 10. So 6. 6 burgers are full 6 burgers. Means 6 into 10. 60. This means 5. So 65 burgers. Like that. 6 into 10 plus 5. 1 into 5. 65. That is what they have given explanation. 6 full burgers plus half burger. In page number 46, they have given a clear explanation what I am explaining here. The same thing they have given in the course book. Please go through that after this class. Okay. Then, how many burgers were sold in the fourth week? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 10 equals to 80 burgers in the fourth week. How many burgers were sold in the third week? Third week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 burgers means 1 burger equals to 10. Then 5 burger equals to 5 into 10. 50. One more half burger is there. Half burger equals to 5. So 50 plus 5. 55. Like this we should collect the information. Okay? We should read the question. Try to understand the question. Then come on, check in the table. You will get the answer. This is what we have to do. So, this is, they are given information, they are given a key. We are answering the questions. But now, we'll do one thing. In workbook, the same thing, one more exercise is given in the page number 47. Same thing, just go through that once. Okay? Then, in workbook, open your workbook. Workbook, page number 3939. In workbook, page number 39, they have given some information. We have to draw the pictograph. Okay? See, draw a pictograph to represent the data. The number of cars of a particular model produced in a year. In the years 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, any type of data we can write. We have written apples, different types of apples. Here sale of burgers, student marks. Here they have given production of cars. Okay, now we'll draw. Okay, till now they have given a pictograph. We have collected the information. Now they have given a table. Okay, page number 39. Open your workbook, page number 39. Come and read the question. Page number 39. Okay, in page number 39, they have given this table, right? This table only you can find it. Okay, then year 2010, 11, 12, 13. These are the year. So what is the quantity? 50,000. 2010 year, 50,000. What is it? The question what they told? Cars of a particular model. Model, whatever it may be, Maruti, Hyundai, any model. Okay, the type of car. We don't want that information. But that is a car. Okay, 2010, for example, Maruti, Baleno or Swift Desire, any type of car. Okay, in 2010 year, saying 50,000 cars it is produced. Means it's manufactured. Okay, in 2011, 60,000 cars made. Okay, manufacturing. We'll call it as a manufacturing. Making that, all the parts. Okay, then that is what? Making. Maruti showroom produced 2,000 cars on this day. In this year, total for 24,000 cars. Like that will listen. The same way, in the year 2010, a particular car showroom produced 50,000 cars. In 2011, 60,000 cars. 12, 55,000 cars. 13, 65,000. Like that information given. The same we have to represent in a pictograph. Pictograph means using pictures we have. No need to write that 50,000. That 50,000 we should represent using a picture. That is 20 apples. How we represented? 2 apples we drawn. 1 apple equals to 10. Means 2 apples equals to 20. Okay, like that only we have to draw the pictograph. Here we draw the pictograph. So while drawing, listen carefully. Okay, you have to do the 2 exercises. I am going to explain the first one. You have to draw that after this class. Then after you have to do the second one also. Okay, how can you do? If you listen this class properly, then only you can draw the pictograph. Okay, listen carefully. While drawing a pictograph, 3 things we should mention. Okay, in the previous class I have explained you. One thing is title of the page, title of the table, and types, and means information. At last, key we should mention. Using that key only we can write. We can draw the pictograph. So, first take a table, like pictograph table. Okay. Ma'am told that first we should give the title. Well, what is the title? What type of title we can give for the question? So in the question, cars of a particular model means car models, production of cars. Okay, we can give production of cars. I am giving production of cars. Otherwise, car details. You can give any title, but sometimes we will listen the story. After that, ma'am asks you to give the title of the story. More, okay, like that. Okay, production of cars. Production of cars. I am giving a title as production of cars. For example, if you want to give car models, you can give. Whatever it may be, the title should be matched. Okay, it should be related to that. Then, so here. So, this side, year. Okay, 2010, 2011, 2012. Please follow me. Don't write first. Listen carefully. Then after you can copy in your workbook. Okay? Then listen carefully. 2014. So I have written 2001, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? Then. Now pictorial representation I have to give for this. So 2000 how many cars? 50,000 cars. How will represent 50,000 cars? Come on, take an idea. Here we have to represent the key also, right? Okay. In the key, I am writing key here. Then what is the key? We can think. So for every 10,000, These are, can you think? 50,000, 60,000, 55,000, 65,000, 70,000. Okay, all are the multiples of 10,000, right? 10,000 only. Okay, so we can take for every 10,000. For every 10,000, we can take anything. Just now we are taking apple, burgers in the same way, 1 rupee coin or 1 man, any key. I am taking 1 rupee coin for every 10,000. 1 rupee coin, I am taking a key for every 10,000. So, in my key, 1 rupee equals to 10,000. Okay? 1 rupee equals to 10,000. Okay? Then this half symbol equals to 5,000. Half circle. Okay? 1 rupee equals to 10,000. This half circle equals to 5,000. I have taken a key. Okay? So depends on this key only I can represent here. Okay? So 50,000 I have to draw here. 10,000 equals to 1 rupee. 20,000 equals to 2 coins. 10,000 equals to 1 rupee, 1 coin. 20,000 equals to 2 coins. 30,000 equals to 3 coins. 40,000 equals to 4 coins. 50,000 equals to 5 coins. That's it. So I can draw here 5 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you have to draw. You don't draw it now. Please listen first. Then after you can do. Okay? So I have drawn 5 times. 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 50,000. See, 1 equals to 10,000 means 5 equals to 50,000. So I have drawn correct. Like this we have to draw. The next one, 60,000. 60,000 means 6 coins we have to draw. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Draw neatly like this. Okay? 6, 1,000, 10,000 means 1 coin. 60,000 means 6 coins. Then 12. 55,000. 50,000 means ma'am told you to draw 5 coins. Yes. Then 5,000 how can we ma'am? 50,000 means 5 coins. 60,000 means 6 coins. Then how can we draw 55,000 as extra 5,000? Only 5,000 how will represent half circle. So this is 50,000 and 5,000. Right? Right, correct. Because it is 5,000. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 plus 5,000 means 55,000. Like this we have to draw. Then 13, 65,000 means 6 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 60. Like this we have to draw. 14 also. 7 coins we draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. For 1 rupee you can draw the designs. Okay. 70,000. Like this we have to draw the pictograph. Understood? Okay. No problem. Once again listen to the video. You will get some information. You will get an idea. Then after you can start doing this. I have taken 1 rupee as a 10,000. You can take any picture. Okay. You can draw that pictures only. It's your wish. Okay. Then the same way, the second question they have given. Following numbers of fish were caught on different days from a sea. Okay. Draw a pictograph based on the given data. Fish they have different fish or fish you can keep the title. And also 500, 400, 600. All are the multiples of 100. So for every 100 you can take 1 fish. 1 fish equals to, okay, 1 fish equals to, here I am unable to draw the fish properly, but you can draw. Okay. Okay. 1 fish equals to 100. Then 400 means how many fish you will draw? 4 fish. 600 means 6 fish. Like that you can draw here. Okay. In a tabular form like this. This is what pictograph. Okay, I hope you will do this. Just one fish equals to 100. Using that, you can draw this instead of 500, you can draw the 5 fish. Like that. Okay, clear? Then today's homework is workbook page number 39. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.